The Prelude in E minor by Chopin. This has been a long time coming, so apologies to those of you who waited, but here it is. I'm going to be covering the notes and most importantly the fingering. In the left hand, the fingering can be intuitive, or, as I'm about to show you, it can be less intuitive, more difficult to learn, but more helpful down the line. So if you want to perfect this piece and just, really get as close to perfect as you can with tone control and all that good stuff, then take my fingering on board. But if you just kind of want to fly through it, then make up your own fingering, and it'll serve you in the beginning. Maybe you'll have some trouble down the line, but it's easier and quicker to learn. So those are your sort of two options for the left-hand fingering. But I will be giving you the more difficult fingering in this tutorial. All right, so this is what it sounds like. I'm going to play about 20-30 seconds of music. Here we go. Okay, I'll stop here. I don't want to bore you with this piece. Not that it's boring. It's a beautiful piece. I get a little carried away sometimes. Now, let's get to it. I'm going to be teaching you the left hand first because there's so little to do in the right hand that we can deal with that in a bit. The left hand, we're going to start, again, these are my fingerings. I've kind of mixed my own version of the fingerings with an addition that I have, but this is, I think, the right way to go. We're going to be starting in first inversion of E minor. That's 4, 2, and 1. Straightforward. We're going to have that 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if you didn't notice already, I should just mention the left hand is just basically all eighth notes straight through. So no longer or shorter notes. It's all just one rhythmic denomination. All right. So 8 of these. Moving on to the next bar, we have this. 5, 3, and 1. 4 times. Next, we have this. 4 times. Fingering is 4, 3, and 1. 2, 3, 4. Moving on, the next 4 notes or chords are this. 5, 3, and 1. 4 times. Please don't forget to slow down the video if I'm moving too fast. Moving on, we have the thumb dropping twice to this. 5 and 3 stay put. Actually, let me add one more thing. So instead of 5 and 3, make it 5 and 2. Yes, this is better. So 2 of these. Yep. And now 2 of these. So the middle note just fell from A to G sharp. Moving on, we get 4 of these. 5, 2, and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Middle note falls again. 5, 3, and 1 twice. Bottom notes stay put. Thumb falls to C sharp twice. Moving on to the next bar. Thumb falls, bottom 2 notes stay put 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next we get this 5, 4, 1 4 times. Next we have again the exact same notes but switch to 3 4 times. 4, 3, 1, 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Moving on. Bottom note falls. D dominant 7. 5, 3, and 1. 5. This is 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're gonna have to learn all this. Just flat out memorize it so that you can focus all your attention on the right hand once you have the left hand down. Moving on. 4 of these. 5, 4, and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thumb falls to B. That's 4 times. Moving on. 5, 3, 1. That's once. Sorry, that's twice. Thumb falls twice. Same notes, but switch the third with the second finger. Like that. And then the same notes, but switch the fifth finger with the fourth finger. And then the last one we'll do this. All right, so there's a lot of left hand stuff here, right? Make sure you learn that and really finish it so that you can focus your attention on the following notes. So let's deal with the notes first. I think you can kind of do it orally, like A, U, R, A, L, like by ear. But I'll also tell you a little bit about the rhythm. So we have a pickup. So we have a long B and then short long. And the piece actually begins on the second of these, right? So I prefer to just leave it and have the pedal hold that first B, and then I have full control over my third finger on these 2 Bs. But you can also just do. And then switch after. Anyway. Pick up. I'll play with the left hand to give you context, but focusing on the right hand here. 4 on C. Right? And this is going to be the story for most of what we're about to learn. So we have the first of these notes, which you hold, 6 left hand. 4, 5, 6, and then the right hand changes. C. Next bar, same idea. Right hand holds for 6 left hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, change. Next, same idea. Right hand is the same. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. B flat. Second finger, and then first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Actually, let me do that again. I messed it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Change to third finger on B. And then back to second on A now. 3, 4, 5, 6. Third on B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Third. So we just have an added note. So instead of just going B to A, you're going to have B, A, A. It'll be like that. So it falls right before the left hand changes from F sharp to F. One more time. See? That's a dotted rhythm right there. Make sure that you don't play this first of these A's together with the left. It's not. It's together, left, right, together. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Together. And that's where I'll stop. The rest of it is going to be on our website. It's free to try, so join us and finish this off. I'll go through the rest of the piece, of course. This piece is public domain, so it shouldn't be difficult for you to find the sheet music online. imslp.org is a resource for all public domain music, but you can also find it on our website. I'm probably going to transcribe this and throw it up on our website as well. All right, make sure you subscribe, all that good stuff. And when you're pedaling, a nice rule of thumb for this piece, very simple. Change the pedal wherever the left hand changes chords. So you start here. All of this is under one pedal, and then change, and then change, and then change. So it's pretty intuitive. Wherever the left hand is changing notes, the pedal can change as well. And I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Take care.